Have you ever noticed how some people don't need to talk to get everyone's attention? They walk into a room and somehow everyone feels it. It's almost like an invisible force. No words, no big gestures, just silent power. This isn't luck. It's psychology. And today, you'll discover the silent traits that make people obsessed with you without you even opening your mouth. Let's break them down. Trait number 1, calmness in chaos. Most people react instantly to criticism, to noise, to stress. But the ones who stay still, who keep their face unreadable when everyone else loses it, they feel powerful, unshakable. People can't help but stare and wonder what gives them that strength. It's mysterious, and we're drawn to mystery. Trait number 2, laser eye contact, then look away. A steady gaze, held just long enough to show confidence, then breaking it calmly. Not staring aggressively, but not avoiding either. This makes you seem aware but not needy. It signals, I see you, but I don't need your approval. And that balance, it's magnetic. Trait number 3, underreaction. When someone tries to provoke you, don't react. Don't rush to explain. Don't argue. A small smirk, a raised eyebrow, then silence. Silence makes people fill in the blanks, and their mind starts racing. Why didn't he react? What's he hiding? That's the moment obsession starts to build. Trait number 4, slow, deliberate movements. Don't fidget. Don't rush. Move like every action is a choice. Take your time to sit, stand, or even turn your head. This creates an aura of control. It feels like you're never in a hurry because you're in charge. Trait number 5, rare, powerful words. You don't need to be silent forever, but when you speak, keep it short. Say less, mean more, and speak softly, slowly, forcing people to lean in to hear you. That contrast between silence and rare speech makes every word feel heavier. Now, think about it. None of these traits require you to be loud, funny, or traditionally attractive. They're about presence. And presence is what makes people obsessed, even if they barely know you. If you've ever wondered why they keep thinking about you even after a single meeting now, you know. It's not what you say. It's how your silence speaks. Tell me in the comments, which of these traits do you already use? And which one will you try next? If you found this eye-opening, subscribe and join us. We don't just talk about dark psychology. We show you how to use it silently.